Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video got a very simple topic for you guys. What we're going to be getting into is 3 sneakers that have risen in price recently. Now, I'm not saying that these are holds, right? Some of these are. Some of these are definitely holds. We've discussed them on the channel, but some of them are not. Some of them are just rising in price right now. Maybe you can look for them to make some quick flips, right? I think that's a good idea. Just because they're kind of trending with Christmas time, but I'm not saying like, hey, go out the way and hold these, because some of these are very prone to restocking. So I'll kind of just show you what I mean and show you why it's not as good of a hold, but why it's kind of up in price right now. So, oh, and I don't think I said this, so I'm gonna cut it in, but subscribe and like down below. Just trying to like 200 on this video, but as always, let's just continue. If you want more content like this, you can check my Instagrams down below. Y'all been showing a lot of love here. Been getting a lot of DMs about kicks people need, stuff like that. So DM me, give me a follow if you ever need any sneakers. I'm always posting stuff for sale here, so just check me out. And yeah, of course, you can always message me. Y'all been sending me some, I've been getting some funny DMs lately. I mean, some people have been calling me Lil Wayne, stuff like that. Nothing like offensive or bad, just funny stuff. And also like business stuff. So yeah, hit me up if you need anything. And of course, if you want to check out my group, again, you guys can check this out down below. You can see we've always been cooking some of these undermarket sneakers recently. And also, you can see some of the ones we've done on the screen recently. The Kobe's on the screen here, those aren't under market, but these ones that we all have right here that have just popped up, those are kind of the deals that we do, and we always provide those to members to source them pairs for less. We've done lots of these under market recently. We got more on the way, so if you want to get your pair of reverse Grinchers, April SBs, some holiday kicks, right, for cheaper, just for Christmas time, and check us out, join that wait list. You'll get in within 24 hours and you'll start sourcing more with us. And don't forget, we got a tight booth SB giveaway coming very, very soon, pretty much once I'm done with exams, so y'all better get in there if you want to get access to that. But I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get started on this video. So the first one I'm discussing right here, this is the one I'm just going to kind of get out the way, and this is one of those sneakers that's trending, rising in price right now, so it's trending, but it is definitely not one to hold on to, and I'll kind of explain. So this is the triple pink grade school. You guys can see some of those sizes are heading up towards 150. Wouldn't be shocked if, they cross 160-ish, since I don't think there's going to be many restocks going on right now at Christmas time. Actually, a lot of places, when it comes to more hyped pairs, kind of like simple dunk lows, grade school dunk lows, a lot of them are sold out. It would be perfect timing for them to plan a restock right now, but I'm just going to mention, if they drop these right now, a little restock for them, it probably wouldn't affect the price too much, maybe like 10 bucks, but these have still risen up a little bit. It's, again, not one that I'd say like go out the way and buy pairs to hold. No, I mean, yes, these are very good for consignment, so if you consign pairs, that's something we can also teach you down below if you want to learn how to like send pairs in store, flip them that way. Very profitable. That's something that you could do for this shoe that would be a little bit better than going to StockX or Alias, but again, this is not a hold. This is just one I would look for maybe a quick flip, and it is, again, trending with Christmas time. I mean, a pink grade school dunk low. I mean, that's like perfect for, somebody's wife, or that's perfect for like somebody's kid, or just, what I mean? Like this is it's popular, you know what I mean? It seems like it would be easy to wear, simple style, kind of, more general, and yeah, that's what I feel like it's doing good for, because, I mean, these were down at like retail, like 110, 105, like I'll show y'all right now, like people, I mean, these were not, doing good, and then all of a sudden, like, kind of like Thanksgiving, Christmas time hit, and people are like, oh, shoot, I haven't got my pair of triple pinks yet, I need to go buy those, and that's pretty much what's happening with these, is people being like, oh, crap, I haven't bought my pair for, who I promised it yet. I see a lot of that going on with these right now. That's why they're selling hot in store. Heavily recommend consigning them. We can teach you that down below as well. But aside from this pair, another one, which I showed y'all no less than like a minute ago, the April SB Dunk Low. Man, I have like 10 pairs of these that I'm holding on to. I paid resale. I didn't hit retail on any of them, right? But we got very, very good deal on them, so I'm very happy about that. It took a lot of time, a lot of work, but y'all can see this is just such a clean pair. I mean, also a pair that previously sold for like 400, 500 bucks. Plenty of sales at those prices too. So I'm just waiting until they go back to those prices, because they'll naturally will return there. Just basically have to wait for people to sell their retail pairs off and just be patient. I mean, you got the turbo green suede, metallic swoosh. Lots of people have been asking me for these. If you need them, you hit me up on Insta. I got some sizes for sale, but a lot of sizes I'm right now holding. So a couple y'all might be able to sell some too, but it's you know what I mean? You probably understand why I'd want to hold on to this shoe. You get me? Because it's nice, icy soles. I mean, go look at the, how Why So Sad, my Why So Sad hold did very, very good. When I called that at like 160, 170, I'm kind of doing the same with these, because I easily see them going up just with their nice details. So April SBs, let's talk about the prices on these right now. So as you guys can see, current prices on these are kind of between $290 to $400, with the bigger sizes going for more. I have mostly size 9 through 11. I have a 12 as well, but that's definitely one that I'm focused on holding. Like anything big size SV just becomes very, very hard to find over time. So I'm just trying to hold on to a lot. I mean, look at what a 15 is going for in these. You know, a 12 will eventually be at that point where it's just going to be, you know, not going to be a lot of them, because once you start getting to bigger sizes in SBs, Nike just cuts down that shoe tree, and there's just not as many that get made. Simple fact. So me personally, I targeted 9 through 11, but I mean, if you want to target 10.5 plus for these, I mean, if you find a 13, hit me up. If you have a size 13, hit me up on Instagram. I'm very interested, because that's just, again, one of those sizes that becomes very, very hard to find over time. I wasn't sure if I had a cat at my door or something. Sometimes my door just randomly flies open and one of my cats will just come running in the room. Not sure why they do that. It's just like, you know, they're big entrance every time, I guess. You got to make sure your presence is known. But yeah, aside from that, I still feel like these will do good. They are already very high, so I will say this: if you have like a 10.5, 11, 12, and you're like, man, a lot of SBs, you know, haven't been sitting at these prices, and you know, I'm pretty confident in this one. I just want to take it, flip it, move on to the next drop, do it. I mean, that's not a bad move at all, you know what I mean? But as you guys can see, these right now, they're doing fine. I personally see them being a good hold, mainly in the bigger sizes. So you'll have to be kind of patient, but I mean, wait that 6 to 12 months, and you'll be doing solid, because you're gonna be down the line in like a year or two. These are just gonna be very hard to find, but it's still gonna be a grail for some people. So I'll leave it at that. But aside from that, a lot of people were not, you know, when I originally discussed these as a whole, people were not happy. People were disagreeing, right? But now you guys can see, right? These are actually starting to go up. I mean, these are at like 140, 150. Some sizes, I mean, are really heading up there towards like 160-ish. These were like at like 160 last week, so some people have been selling them off. But 140, 150-ish, we'll say that. Now, originally when I called this hold, I'm still able to get pairs for like 100, 110. So like I'm, you know, just kind of waiting. I'll probably buy some to hold on to, like 5 or 10. Just because I feel like these, again, are going to age really well. They're going to head towards 200. I mean, go look at the Onyx slides. It's a $200 pair of foam runners. And now with Christmas time, people have really been looking to buy this pair because, again, it's a simple colorway similar to the Onyx one, but it's a bit cheaper than the Onyx one. It's one of the cheaper foam runners and one of the better colorways in terms of price. Like what you're getting for the price, it's actually like a nice colorway. A lot of the foam runners that are around 140, 150 are not very good looking. All right, a lot of the good looking ones are a lot more expensive, up there towards 200-300, and these are a bit more affordable. So people went for them. You guys can see actually now these have the lightning bolt symbol because more people have been going to buy them up, and StockX has actually been promoting them a bit, which I think has helped the prices some. So me personally, I'm still in these long term. I just feel like they're going to age well because you know, I think Kanye's got some, you know, he's got some. I mean, he's been dropping a couple, you know, a little bit of music here and there. It seems like he just dropped a song recently. I think he's got something on the way, and he gave some guy in Dubai a pair of unreleased kicks. So I think something's on the way. Something. I don't know what, but something's on the way. Whether it's an album, whether it's a you know, unreleased shoe he has, or you know, some sort of clothing line, I'm here for it because it's gonna help products like this, you know, age better and also go up in price if he keeps doing more and more. So aside from that, I mean, people also just really like foam. I have my pair of carbons. I'll show y'all. I mean, these are, I literally think I've worn these once or twice, but these are really, really nice. I mean, like, see what I mean? Clean, simple, nice colorway for winter. I like them. That's why these have been going up. They're good. But that is pretty much everything I need to mention. There's not really too much I need to say. I mean, these shoes have risen in price. That is the topic of the video. And this one isn't a hold. These two are. Yeah, that's really all I need to say. If y'all want to check my group out down below, you can see some of the undermarket kicks we've done recently, reverse Grinches, April SBs. I mean, you name it. We've done like 30 plus Prado SBs undermarket. So if you're looking to get some kicks for holiday 2023 cheaper, just join that waitlist and you'll get in within 24 hours. You'll start sourcing with us. Don't forget, you check out our socials down below. You know, learn how to hit more on sneakers, stuff like that. Like, we're always trying to teach people the basics. And you can check me out here. Give me a follow. DM me if you need any kicks. Show some love on, you know, I appreciate the support on some of my recent photos, by the way, guys. I really appreciate that. It goes a long way. And that's all I really need to say there. So I'm going to end that screen recording. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and like down below. I almost forgot to say that. I was trying to like 200 likes on this video. I don't even know if I said that at the start, but not the end of the world. We'll continue. We'll get to it. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.